We did a lot in these 5 weeks. We went to 3 different local unions. We visited 2 McKinstry job sites. We went to a new pre-apprenticeship program. We had some professional development and practice doing interviews. We met a lot of professionals in the industry. This is our 3rd year doing this heavy metal experience with the Highlight School District. And each year is just progressively improved. And I've been really impressed with these students, how they've shown up every single day, how they've been professional, how they've learned, asking lots of great questions, and really just, I think, really grew a lot as people and taken a lot of steps forward towards their career